How to add profile picture on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to add photo on a Zangi profile? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered Zangi number and password. After you get logged in, now click on your profile picture. Click on edit profile info. Now click on your profile picture where you can see the icon for add and click on choose photo. Browse to the photo that you want to add as a profile picture. Now crop your photo according to your preference. Once it feels right, click on the check mark and tap on done. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add profile picture on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.